Today we're going to be unboxing the Firestone air spring kit. Rite. This is for my 21 Tacoma. If you look over here, I have two, and both times the airbags have failed because I didn't have an air compressor on it. So what I'm going to do is attach an air compressor, heavy duty air compressor from Firestone, and this is going to be the unboxing of that. This is just the install kit with the wiring harness. So you see all that in there, and then here's the air compressor. This is going to be mounted under my chassis. So come in here. This is model number WR1-760, which denotes the Tacoma 9499. And this is the heavy duty air compressor by Firestone. So I'm going to have to wire this from the back of the truck all the way up to the battery, and it's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi controlled. So that's what's in that kit. And then this box is a new set of airbags. eTrailer.com was the only ones that had them in stock that I could find. So here's the new airbags. These are $248 each, not for the set. So it's basically 500 bucks for a set of airbags, and I don't remember what these kits cost. $600 or $700 to just get the hardware plus the airbags. The biggest expense is the two airbags, 500 bucks. So just keep that in mind. That's what I'm gonna be working on today, and they're gonna sit in these donuts so that my off-road suspension can travel. The reason I need these, let me grab the camera, is I had 19 inches to my hitch before I mounted my rear bumper, the Expedition 1 bumper with a dual swing out. So this adds weight to the back, and then the dual swing arm, so having 3 cans full of water or 3 fuel cans, the spare tire, plus now we've got 2 awnings up, and then this thing's going to be full of gear. It's going to weigh my truck down, so I'm concerned about driving 8,000 miles. My front end is already starting to come up a little bit, so these are going to go right above the springs right here and just raise up the truck a little bit in the back so I can get an even ride. There you go. Yukon River Quest is 46 days away.